Don't trust your eyes, ears, or the person sitting next to you. Creatures between life and death, and you will be trapped in their torments and pain. If they can succeed in switching places with you, your heart and mind will be gone, and you won't even know it. Her meaty bones through a meat grinder and pulverized her into powder. He has not made peace with his transgressions and crimes, so he wanders the swamp in tortured guilt and is looking for his next victim. If his eyes are on you, watch out before they try to grab you off the train. That has never happened before. The monsters are especially violent tonight. Be careful. Tell the person next to you that you love them. We might not survive this. They're stored in the box of nothingness. Their state between life and death is an eternity where all positive memories have vanished. Only death remains, and their vapid state is constant. Kill and destroy. If I were you, I'd look to your right. If the devil likes you, he won't let go. From the time they stop fighting as your train passes by, these enemies suddenly become friends. Before you flatter, normal activity and daily life will become difficult. You'll think thoughts that did not originate with you. You'll do the work of these wicked spirits or die. We'll only win if we scream loud enough. This living room scene is an exact replica of the game. And then he kicked them on pot of soup and fed it to their cats. This monster is being punished for him. Most of the fighting is done. He is our brave soldier. He's fought in many missions on Earth. He is a temporary warrior. Wait. I didn't receive the signal. It's not time to help. We must join. We are saying that we are the cowardly and our liars are brought to this pit and burned alive. This is where human meat is kept and stored by the alligators. As you can see, there is no food. They will attach themselves to you, especially arms. They really love arms. Hide your arms! If they see any flesh, they will attack you. I'm so sorry. I should have warned you. I think it's too late to do anything about it now. you so much for coming out this evening and riding our train. We hope you enjoyed it, and will tell your friends. The Halloween festival is open until 9 o'clock. Please wait for the train to come to a complete stop and for the horn to sound before exiting the train to your left.